All right, well, hi there, everybody. We are the Trash Talkers, and we're here to talk some trash, literally. So our challenge was to work with the Department of Public Works in the Pittsburgh Downtown Partnership to help bridge the communication between the two agencies. So their ability here is to be able to see some information about when the trash was last picked up at these locations, and then they have a very simple interface, so they're just going then to actually select the trash can, and they can actually just select a simple drop, and if you'll see, that'll turn from green to red.
What's up, guys? I'm Jacob. This is John, Rulon, and Joel, and we're Team Hyperham, and we got to work on smart trash.
Well, we divide our stakeholders into three groups. The first comes the street cleaners. So street cleaners, you can see, you only need two actions. One is pull back, one is drop back. When you pull back, it says pull back. When you click drop back, it drop back.
Hey everybody, we're Team Cesium from the Software Engineering Institute at CMU. Guess what project we're doing? Yeah, we're also doing trash. So what we're doing, we're pulling dynamically the number of cans that are ready to pick up in an area, the emergencies that have been registered, and we also have the functionality to set a specific number of stops if they don't have time to do this all day long.
Hi guys, we're H2P Tech, and we did the Allegheny Children's Initiative Challenge, and yeah, the challenge was to make an interface for the parents of patients to interact with their providers. The way it works is a parent is linked to their children, and so you can click on the child. You can also, so the first thing you can do is you can record a new behavior. So when a child is acting out, I need to record, for instance, whether they're scratching, hitting, yelling, or anything of the sort.
Hey, how's everyone doing today? Good. Right. We're Team Daryl, and we decided to tackle the Homewood Children's Village Challenge. This would be something that would allow students to have achievements that they could track and something they'd be able to look at like all along, all pursuing that goal of a resume that they could take to somebody else after they're done with high school. So the first is self-exploration, where a student can upload any kind of documentation that they want.
Hi everyone, we're the Bakery Square Buccaneers from UPMC Enterprises. We worked on the Involvement Challenge, which is a group that's interested in spurring community involvement in the North Side by facilitating volunteers.
And I see this cool sounding project called Summer Community Service Project. And it sounds really cool. It's helping young adolescents do a 6-week-long community project, and they need about 35 volunteers for this weekend for 2 hours. So I want to be one of those volunteers. So I am going to hit register.
Good afternoon. We are the Pitnovators, the Pittsburgh Innovators, and we are very fortunate and excited to be at the event. So the challenge that we chose was Children's Museum. So if you see the picture above, that's the vision that we have for the solution and the app that we are building. So the problem statement was given that the guides today have no way to essentially communicate between each other, and the traffic is a problem at the museum.
We chose this challenge mainly because we're the target population of the Homewood Children's Village. They're looking for students to be able to be connected with mentors and have teachers and anyone involved in the student's life be connected. So what we wanted to do with this project is make it so that everyone was connected. So since the target population is students, we wanted to make it similar to a social media type aspect.
I just want to thank you all for being here, of course, especially the participants who spent a lot of their time into this today, or over the whole week, I should say. We really appreciate you participating. This event started 4 years ago, a meeting between the Urban Redevelopment Authority and Google, and now it's grown into this amazing thing where we're selling out year after year.
First category in the design area is Hyperham. Second category in technical, CASEM. Next category in impact, Team Daryl. All right, final category, creative, and I have to say that this was a unanimous vote by the judges, and it is Invest in Now.